Hey guys, my name is Danny FX, and I want to tell you the reason why we fail in trading. The main reason why we fail in trading is not about the strategy. I'm going to tell you this for free. The reason why we fail in trading or become unprofitable in trading is not strategy, it's because of who we are. Yes, trading mirrors us, it tells us who we are, it shows us our personality. What kind of human being are we? Are we the person who is very patient? I want a person who believe on little growth. You understand? So operating forex trading from a poor man background or poor mindset is very dangerous. To be successful, we have to transit from being a poor man mindset to a rich man mindset, which is believing on a, believing on a little growth, a very little growth. So now some people say the strategy, I want to go and learn SMC, I want to learn ICT. Bro, I have jumped from each strategy to another, and I get to realize that strategy is not the problem. The problem is who we are. Look at Tori Trade. Tori Trade is just a trend line trader and become successful. Look at Abi FX. I don't know support and resistance with a trend line trader. Look at Dapo Williams. Look at Jeffrey. They are also an SMC traders. So what I'm trying to tell you, simplicity is the key. Forget that it's 100% strategy. That's a lie. There's no 100% strategy. I actually have moved from each box to another, and I stayed with just support and resistance level. All strategy are like indicators. All strategy are like indicators. They just point out that this is what is likely going to happen. Just take a look at the market. The market moves where there is money. So when there is money, they say there's a demand or whatsoever. Look, there might be always a demand at a particular level for market to break above it, because the demand might not be pushing it out where you think it is. That's why sometimes you find that there's an order block. The same thing with support and resistance, the same thing with trend line. You understand? So all these, if you have a mindset that this might actually happen, then give you the edge to apply a proper risk management to whatsoever you guys are trying to do. So in the mindset of trading is knowing who you are. You understand? Know how to apply, know how to take everything. See, if you can't manage a $10 account, if you can't survive with a $10 account for 2 weeks, I said 2 weeks, you can't even survive a 1K account for 1 week. I'm telling you, there's no any sugar coat you could use to do any of this. There's no magic. See, trading is going to reflect who you are. Look, trading is like a military ground. Do you know when you're applying for the Nigeria Defense Academy? It's just going to be like a military ground where you have to be disciplined. You're going to have to, if you can't be disciplined, if you can't follow rules, if you can't obey yourself, you can't become successful. I see, bro, I did with you now. I'm still in the same position with you guys, so I'm sharing this experience. For us to be successful, we have to like change our mindset, set our mindset to like this game. This what we are doing is a probability game. It's a probability game. Yes, God is not going to come down to like save you. See, He's giving you the knowledge, so it's left for you to understand. Now, let me show you how I analyze on USD JPY at the monthly time frame. Market is always going to do a retracement. So looking at that, that's my major support level. Then I want to see what is actually happening. So now looking at the market is actually reacting. So we also have another tiny support level that the market rested on. Then look at the, we have, let's go to the first time frame, so I will show you everything. So at the first time frame right now, we see that we are having a daily support level where the market is reacting from. You could see that this is the daily. Let me draw. This is where the market is actually reacting from. So understanding that in trading, yeah, when market is going bullish, there's always going to be retracement. The same thing with the bearish. So we are always going to buy from the retracement. When there's a retracement, we'll buy it so that the market will continue until it give us the high we are finding. We don't buy from a resistance level, we buy from a support and sell from a resistance level. That's the rules of trading. Looking at this, the market is actually bearish, but the bearish is not confirmed yet, because even if there's a change of character, we need a break of structure to confirm it. So looking at this, there's no a break of structure, so this is still bullish. We're going to shift it to the bullish mindset, and this at the 4 hours time frame, we find there is a resistance level. Now what I'm trying to let you guys is, you guys could see that each market, each levels are marked on different color, right? So, and look at this now. This is what, this is a minor level, a minor resistance level. This is where the market is reacting to. So for me to like go for buy, I'm expecting market to break about above it and now test it as a support level, because the rules of trading, you buy from a support and sell from a resistance. So you can't expect me right now to be buying from a resistance level. That's very, very wrong. So moving to the 1 hour time frame, we could see that everything perfectly aligns well in trading. So if you guys love this video, see, find everything simplicity for yourself and let it work. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. God bless. So everything now you see is exactly what I'm waiting for it to happen. So I'm going for 1:3 because I prefer going for 1:3 because that's a very realistic goal to hit. So why I mark that level up there is because market might actually get there and bounce back. So trading is simplicity. Use what work best for you. Forget about the 100% trading strategy. Like this analysis, there are high chances it might fail. There are high chances it might fail because market moves unpredictable. You could see how each level work or align perfectly. You understand? There's no other block, there's no breaker block, there's no whatsoever. You understand? It's a very simple strategy. So do what best work for you guys. Bye.